These are some of the top ones listed here on my slide that I see in my practice, right? So we see anemias, we see depression and neuropathy and dementia, people losing their ability to think clearly, brain fog and the like. We see a lot of joint pain and lethargy, and this is a fatigue and lethargy. Really, what I would say when vitamin B12 deficiency causes an anemia, which we'll talk more in depth about in just a moment, one of the biggest side effects is that fatigue and lethargy. But it's especially true even if you're sleeping well. So after 8 hours of sleep or more, you're still tired. You're waking up tired after having adequate sleep. Thank anemia. That's your thought. Now, there are a number of different nutritional anemias. There's iron deficiency anemia, there's B12 and folate deficiency anemia, there's copper anemia, B6 anemia, vitamin C anemia, vitamin E anemia. But this is one of the most common ones. And so if you're feeling this way, thank anemia and ask your doctor to check your B12, ask your doctor to check your what's called complete blood count, your iron and ferritin levels, and rule that out for you. We also see hair loss in folks, and this is especially true of women more so than men, a lot of hair loss with vitamin B12 deficiency, and glossitis. And glossitis is a swelling and redness or reddening of the tongue. So if your tongue is a super bright magenta color, when you stick it out, look at your tongue in the mirror. If it's super magenta in color, consider vitamin B12 deficiency and potentially other B vitamins as a possibility. Now, there's a lot of research. I've kind of hand-selected a few things to share with you today. This is a nice publication done here recently, put out by the British Medical Journal. And what they did is they looked at a lot of the data in the medical literature, and they tried to stratify the prevalence of the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. So what you can see here in this diagram is 85% of patients with vitamin B12 deficiency had cognition problems, mental health problems, and neurological problems. So look at these three broad categories. That's 85% of people with deficiency reported memory issues, cognitive impairment, aphasia, learning problems, headaches, and migraines. They also reported mood swings, irritability, insomnia, depression, anxiety,